My name is Tara. I'm in fifth grade. So in STEM, we're really working on the nose cone, and then the fin. And we're working on the types of shapes and what they can do. For example, the nose cone, this type of shape, actually that's what we're focusing on in this. We're working on 3D printing our own design to see if maybe if we build it some way different, if it'll go farther or if it'll go farther. Well, we start through this process. We have a pipe and then we wrap a paper around it. And then, we can design the paper if we want to. And then we add this on it, and then we have to tape it. And then when we go outside, we have this pipe that Miss Stephanie built, because when she looked it up, it said that was the most recommended. And we step on it and see how far it goes. And it really worked. So that's pretty much what we're working on now, and that's pretty much it.